Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and in this vlog we are talking about Maxton, not the gloss black kits, but the new carbon kits. So let's talk about carbon fibre and Maxton. It's a new product from Maxton Designs. They're pretty well known for just doing gloss black lower kits, splitters, spoilers and diffusers. You've probably all seen it a million times before. When I realised they were doing carbon kits, we were all a little bit cautious because, bear in mind, they've never done carbon, but they've put some proper money and R&D behind this. So when we went up there a few weeks back to have the kit fitted to the M135i, initial thoughts were absolutely amazing, and how it fits and finishes and just pushes in place and lines up was absolutely unreal. It's really nice to see. The problem is with carbon is people think it's all the same, wet lay, pre-preg, etc. People think that a spoiler from eBay is the same quality as something like this. This is the rear spoiler for the G80 M3. It is absolutely perfect. The shot lines are nice and tight. The way it will sort of sit on the car is perfect. The weave is nice. The badging is nice. So overall, really excited to get it on. We actually fitted a front and sides to a customer's car a few weeks ago. We've actually got this other customer coming back in on a G80 to go for the full kit after seeing those pictures. So we're excited to get it on. So let's get it on the ramp, get some B-roll, and you'll be able to see how perfect this lines up on the car. But we're really excited to see the rest of the range that Maxton are working on. We believe they're doing a G87 M2 very soon. So behind me, as you can see, the M3 is done. The carbon kit looks absolutely perfect. Most carbon kits will replace actually the black side seal, but this actually goes underneath, so it gives the car a bit more stance. By going with the stance, we fit the H&Rs. These are a bit lower than the airbags, and you can see it works perfect. 10, 12mm spacers, finish it off, and on the front of the car, customer's gone for the gloss black CSL grille. Next on his shopping list is the yellow DRLs and a Remus exhaust and possible wheel change. So let's get it outside and see what you think of the carbon kit.